Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can pay using Airwallex. So let's get started. Airwallex is a global financial technology platform that helps businesses manage international payments, multi-currency accounts, and cross-border transactions efficiently while keeping costs lower. First, go to the Airwallex website and log into your account using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, find the Transfer section and click on it. Then select New Transfer to start a payment. If you've already added a recipient, you can choose them from your saved contacts. If not, click on Add Someone New and enter the recipient's details carefully. Next, choose the currency you want to send. After that, select where you want to transfer the money, whether it's to a business or an individual. Then pick the transfer method based on your preference. Now, select the transfer date and add a purpose for the payment. You can also include a reference note to keep your transactions organized. Before completing the payment, review all the details to make sure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, click Continue and confirm the transaction. Your payment will then be processed successfully. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.